Hi, this is Ish. In the last PageSpeed optimization series, we see how external resources are putting your website performance low and how to solve it. In this video, we are going to see about image optimization. Images are very expensive assets which contributes to the page size and page speed. Larger an image, it takes longer time to download and display the image. So let us see in detail about what are the types of image format and where to use the image and how to use it. The number one thing to do is choose the right image format. Images are two types. One is raster image and another is vector image. Raster images are the result of the images taken from camera or scanner, whereas vector images are image made up of lines and curves. JPG, JPG, PNG and WebP formats are the formats supported by raster image, whereas SVG is the format supported by vector image. Now let's see where and when to use these formats. WebP format. The WebP format is a next-gen image format. It is a best alternative for JPG and PNG. It is very small in size, so it helps to improve the page speed. So if you are looking to improve the page speed, then definitely change your image format into WebP format. There are so many plugins are available to convert into WebP format. It supports both lossy and lossless compression. The only disadvantage with WebP format is it is only supported by the modern web browser, even though you can use the WebP format, because if your user is using the old version of the browser, you can provide a fallback URL so that they can view the image in the unsupported browser. The next is PNG. The PNG images are usually a high quality images. It supports only lossless compression. So when comparing to the images of compressed PNG image and compressed JPG image, you will see the compression ratio is very low in PNG images. As it is a lossless compression, the compression ratio will, even though you compress the file, the compression ratio will be low. But when you are using a high quality photography websites, in that case, you definitely want to use a PNG image format to showcase the photographs. So I would suggest you to use the PNG images, but invest on some plugins, so that plugins or invest on compression software. This will help you to automate the process and it will helps a lot. The next is JPG. It is a default format we are all using in the images. It is a good thing. It supports both lossy and lossless compression. And the GIF. GIF. When you are using GIF on your website, definitely it is a very large file size. Definitely think about twice whether we want to use it or not. Yes, you can, instead of using the GIF, you can use the video format, because video itself small when comparing to the GIF. So the next thing is SVG format. SVG format is a very light image. The weight of the image is so light. It's very small, but the images are geometric images. So let's take logos and icons. If you We can use the SVG format instead of PNG or JPG for logos or icons. So wherever you can find these format to use on your website. The number two on choose the right quality photo and right compression technique. For example, in this image is a WebP format image. As I said earlier, WebP format supports both lossless and lossy compression. If you look at this picture, obviously you won't find any difference at all. But you look closer at this picture, you find the difference. So, WebP format is a very good format and it is a best alternative for PNG and JPG image. If your website is not about the high quality images, if your business don't need to showcase the high quality image, then definitely you can opt for WebP format and the right compression technique. But if you want, if your industry is about uh, photography or something which you want to showcase by the photo, then definitely you want to use the high quality images. But don't dare to use the high quality images. By using the right combination of compression technique and the attractive images, it would it would help to improve the speed, and also it would definitely helps to generate a quality leads from that images. When using high quality images, there are lot of chances to getting visible on Google image search. And in Google image search, you definitely get tons of traffic from Google image search. All are relevant traffic. So not only your image get visible in image search, but also in Google Discover. Google Discover is same as Google search result, but in Google search result, the results are displayed based on the user query, but in Google Discover, the results are based on user interest without typing the query at all. So, according to Google guidelines, including compelling high quality images in your content, especially large images, are more likely to generate visits from Google Discover. So, choose the high quality images that definitely adds the advantage for your website. Then also you are getting chances of getting backlinks. When someone is using your images, they definitely give the credit back to you in the form of backlinks. Even though if they didn't give the credit, you can do a reverse image search and found the image and you can claim the backlinks. So definitely the high quality images adds a plus thing on your website when using the right technique of compression. And the number three is in page speed optimization, you definitely hear the term CDN, Content Delivery Network. It is highly distributed platform of servers which help to reduce the loading time of web page by reducing physical distance between the server and the user. The CDN works under the process of caching. For example, if you have your website hosted on the web server which is located in US and your user in some part of the world, not in US, is requesting information from your website, then if you are using CDN, instead of getting information from the website server, the user get the information from the nearest CDN. By this way, the CDN helps to load the website faster. So, what is image CDN? The principle behind the image CDN is same as of normal CDN. However, the main difference is it optimizes the serving images depending upon the requesting device and their network. For example, if a mobile user with in slow network devices accessing an information from our website, then if you are using image CDN, it provides the images of compressed images depending upon the network, and it resizes the images depending upon the devices. So the image CDN has the features like pre-device optimization, and it dynamically compresses the images. And also, if your main server is down, then still the website gets run on the CDN, and the user get the necessary information from the nearest cached version of the CDN. So if you're having a e-commerce website and you're having many products and images, then you definitely have to opt for image CDN. This not only help to improve the loading time and improve the website faster, it helps to increase the user experience, it reduces the bounce rate, and helps to improve the ROI. Look for part 2 of image optimization in my next video. Until then, this is Ish signing off. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter.